In the month of August, Zepto became the first Indian unicorn in 2023. So 8 months and only one unicorn. There were 20 new unicorns in 2022. A unicorn is a company whose valuation crosses $1 billion in private equity space. Indian startups, most of whom were loss-making, have been struggling to raise funds. They've raised just $3.9 billion in the first half of 2023, which is 78% lower than the same period last year. At this run rate, startups may end up raising less than 10 billion this year, a far cry from the record 30 billion in 2021 and 20 billion in 22. The stocks of new age companies, the new age companies are Paytm, Policybazaar, Nykaa, Zomato. They are trading well below their listing price after their IPOs. The funding squeeze and the low tolerance for loss-making unicorns, especially after the Byju's debacle, has pushed the startups to think profits over reckless growth. Why is this situation actually a good position to be? The froth around the startups has reduced and the money availability has been made difficult. This is actually a happy scenario to be in. You know why? Simple reason. Be it listed or unlisted, promoters and companies are focusing on profitability and real problem solving in order to raise money for growth. Oyo, Mamaearth and First Cry have delayed their IPO plans. Now instead of passing on the baton of a high growth loss-making company to the next idiot who is buying in order to flip it to the next one, all have gone back to the drawing board to make the business profitable and then approach the capital markets. The words like scalability, customer acquisition, developing an ecosystem have been removed from the vocabulary of these entrepreneurs and have been replaced by the words like profitability and operational efficiency. The rise in the interest rates resulted in low availability of dollar liquidity, which in turn became a blessing in disguise. If the bubble had grown to huge proportions, it would have busted sometime. However, in this case, the bubble got gradually deflated without creating excesses. So while some startups may fall by the wayside, others may consolidate and yet others might push through and ride out this long and painful downturn. The eventual winners will create some amazing opportunities for investors like us.